Hey, it's Kyla again. I found an empty plastic water bottle at home, and instead of throwing it away, I thought, why not turn it into something green and beautiful? I made a simple mini terrarium with soil, plant cuttings, and a few beads to decorate it. Plastic bottles are one of the most common single use items, and most of them end up in landfills or oceans. But they can be reused in creative ways. By turning this into a mini terrarium, I'm giving it a second life and adding a little greenery to my space. Here's what I used: one empty plastic bottle, a bit of soil, small plant cuttings or moss, beads or tiny decorations which are completely optional. I carefully cut the bottle in half, bottom part for the base. I added a small layer of soil, just enough to support the plants. Then, I placed in a few small plant cuttings I found around the house. Nothing fancy, just what's available and healthy. I also added some beads to give it a bit of personality. Totally optional, but it made it feel more me. It holds up well, and it's a pretty way to reuse plastic. That's my RePlanted project. Plastic bottle turned into a tiny garden. Thanks for watching!